Hi, it's Teresa back with another video with Craving Crochet.
Let me show you something.
Hey everyone, hope everyone's doing well. I am here to do it is like a giveaway contest, and it's called #Ugly Crochet Hat February 2021. And I will leave, obviously you're going to see it in my title here or somewhere in this video. And it is being sponsored by, she's a fairly new crochet channel. She doesn't have a ton of subscribers. So if you want to go support her, I'll leave her link here below. But her channel name is Runawayneedle Red. And I believe her name is Mare. I am subscribed to her, and I have been subscribed to her, but I heard about this through trying to remember her name, Distinctive Crochet. So that's how I got the idea to make the ugly crochet hat February 2021. And she Mare of Runawayneedle Red is giving away a really lovely prize that she has made with her own hands. It's really nice. I don't want to tell you what it is, so you can go check her out. But I mean, she's doing it, I think, all the way to the end of February, so there's still time to make an ugly hat. So this is my ugly hat reveal video. Here it is. And it kind of reminds me of like one of those old movies where it could be a new movie too, where there are like English soldiers, and this is like their headgear, and it's all like, this is what this hat reminds me of. And I think it's ugly, but it would keep you warm. You could put a button. But this is my entry for the #Ugly Crochet Hat February 2021 that I am submitting. This is it. This is it. But anyways, I'll tell you the yarn I used to make it. I'll show you the yarn I used. I'll tell you the yarn I used. It was this Craft Smart Value Tweed that I used, and it is color gray, and I used a 5mm hook. It's a medium 4 yarn. It's kind of a nice yarn. You can't really see too much tweed in it. I don't know. When I put it on, I just feel like it's really gray. Like I see mostly gray in it. But yeah, don't I look like a soldier? So anyways, this is my entry, Mare of Runawayneedle Red. I keep looking down because I don't want to say your name wrong. And if you notice in my background, I have a shrug that I made a while ago. So I'm trying to decorate my background every time I do videos. So that is a really easy tutorial that I have on my channel. I'll leave the link for that as well. But go check out Mare of Runawayneedle Red. Do a hat. Make it ugly. I know it's hard to make hats ugly when we're creative people, but sometimes you buy yarn and you think it's going to look a certain way, and then you go to try it and it's like, oh my gosh, it's so ugly. So maybe you can use something like that. I just found this pattern and I thought, it's kind of ugly. So that's my entry. Anyways, this is it. Go check out Mare Runawayneedle Red. I'll leave like I said again, I'll leave her link below. She's doing this contest. She's giving away a giveaway. She's doing a giveaway for the contest. So go check her out. You still have time to enter. It's not too late. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and we'll talk soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Let me show you something.